just arrived at the Hampton Inn. Making you happy makes us happy. Cleaning lady is cleaning today.
Sorry.
It's okay, my love. This is dinner tonight. It's an Italian restaurant called Alina's. We're coming in. Oops. That is me. I'm now taking you to the Armory historic site. We are in Springfield, Massachusetts.
ammunition to the battlefield is basically the same way you did in 1862. right? So during the Civil War. There's no C-130s airdropping ammunition to you in the 1890s, right? So ammunition is heavy, and if we start having at least 5 in the gun, plus you're gonna have this Mills belt full of ammunition and probably some more ammunition, and you're gonna fire this off pretty rapidly, you're gonna need a lot of ammunition. It's heavy. So we have that. And I'll actually show you that because our blanks, and so while we're out there, we tested this out a little bit. This is the first live demonstration. So these are our blanks, all right? Susan, will you hold this for a second for me?
Oh, I'd love to. I'll be your Vanna.
Thank you. Yes, display that. Lovely. But you can see the size difference. So what happens sometimes with these blanks is as they're being fed into the chamber, they'll jam up in there. Any questions before we head out? We can answer questions out there too.
When should they be using this firearm?
1892 is when it's adopted. They really don't start making them any numbers until 1894. They're going to start to phase them out in 1903.
We're going to go to the field and do some rifle testing.
Oh, I'm so disappointed we didn't go there.
Zone right there. I'm going to load a couple. I'm going to show you kind of how that magazine cutoff works. I can load with the loading gate with the bolt open or closed, right? So that's kind of an interesting thing. I can actually have the bolt closed and load the rifle. You can't do that if you're loading it from the top. So I put my blanks in here, significantly faster than having to continuously load another one every time. You can see there's actually a section here you put a cleaning kit in this. This would flip open, and a cleaning kit will go in there. So there's a groove or a tube cut into the stock, so it's strengthening it, and also you're able to utilize it right as a sort of like mechanism to hold in your cleaning supplies as well. Because you can see there's no rod on this.
And how heavy is that?
It's about 9 pounds, 8.5, 9 pounds. But you have a 20-round magazine when it's full, you know, so that adds weight. So they come out to roughly the same 8 to 9.5 pounds. Yeah. Doesn't seem like much. I'm holding it. It's not too bad. If I'm marching with this all day, every day, right, and firing it, it's gonna add up.
Right.
Plus, I'm not just, I'm carrying as much as you can pack me with, too. Probably.
Yeah.
So, you want lighter, they keep trying to get lighter guns or more efficient, lighter ammunition, not so that you would carry less weight, but you could carry more of something else. So what you're going to do is take 3 of them, and they actually all fit in with each other, and it turns into a tripod. So when you're set up, when you're bivouacked out, instead of putting your gun on the ground, you would take 3 at a time, and then they're going to stay out of the dirt and the muck. Right now, all right, I'm going to put my earplugs in, so I might even yell a little bit louder than my normal yelling voice, but bear with me. When I open the bolt, you can see my cartridge. It's not going to grab it. So what I'm going to do is load one at a time. There we go. All right. Loaded. So go ahead and fire. All right. So you might want to cover your ears.
And go further.
Yeah, further away.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh dear.
All right, that's good. So it's nice how it picks up the spec cartridge. There's a pin in the barrel, so we can't do live rounds, and so you gotta jiggle it in. So congratulations. Yeah.
Hi, this is Scott. He just made a brilliant presentation about
The Craig rifle.
the Craig rifle. Now we're going to leave the war behind us. We are now in the 20th century. Follow me and my vlogs, my little trips and small trips. This is E. Perry Jones, your humble vlogger from the Philippines. God bless you. I'm over and out.